Something big is happening in the world of digital currency, and it's capturing the attention of people everywhere. There's a sense of excitement in the air, a feeling that something new and different is about to unfold. But this time, the buzz isn't coming from the usual tech giants or established crypto leaders. Instead, it's emerging from a movement that's been quietly growing, powered by everyday people. The Pi Network, a project that started with a simple idea, has now built a global following. All eyes are on June 28th, a date circled on calendars around the world, as the community prepares for a major milestone. This isn't just another day on the calendar. For many, it represents the culmination of years of belief, daily commitment, and the hope that their efforts will soon pay off. What sets Pi apart is its unique approach. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, no matter where they live or what their background is. It's a community-driven project, built on the idea that anyone can participate. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require expensive hardware, Pi can be mined right from your smartphone, making it easy for millions to join in. Every day, millions of people around the globe tap a button, contributing to the network's growth and strengthening the community with each interaction. Through these simple actions, they're building a foundation of trust, anticipation, and shared purpose, something rare in the fast-paced world of digital innovation. As June 28th draws near, the sense of anticipation is palpable. The community is holding its breath, wondering if this will be the pivotal moment that changes everything. Pi's story is more than just a new cryptocurrency. It's a massive social and economic experiment, exploring what's possible when technology and global collaboration come together. Now is the perfect time to discover what Pi Network is all about, to understand why it matters, and to see how it could shape the future of digital money. The community is filled with hope, ideas, and a vision for a more inclusive digital economy, one where everyone has a chance to participate. Let's break it all down and find out why so many people around the world are excited for this new chapter in the Pi Network story. So, what is Pi Network? You might have heard the name buzzing around online, but what does it really mean, and why are so many people talking about it? Let's break it down. At its core, Pi is a digital currency designed for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just curious about the future of money. It aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to ordinary people, not just those with technical know-how or expensive equipment. Unlike Bitcoin, which needs expensive computers and consumes a lot of energy, Pi can be mined right from your phone. There's no need for special hardware, no high electricity bills, and no complicated setup. Anyone with a smartphone can participate, making it truly inclusive. The Stanford-founded team made it incredibly simple. Just download the app, tap once a day, and you start earning Pi. No technical skills required, and the process is designed to be user-friendly for all ages. This straightforward approach has attracted tens of millions of users worldwide, all united by the project's vision of a more inclusive digital economy. The community is growing rapidly, connecting people from every continent. Right now, Pi is in its enclosed mainnet phase, meaning the network is live and operational, but protected from the outside world to ensure security and stability as it develops. Verified users can move their Pi to digital wallets and use it within the growing Pi ecosystem, buying goods and services or trading with others in the community. The goal? To build a strong, self-sustaining internal economy before opening up to the wider world. This way, Pi can ensure real value and utility for its users. That's why June 28th is so highly anticipated. It could mark the next big step for Pi Network, potentially opening the doors to a new era in digital currency. Let's talk about the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, a concept that's energized the Pi community. The number $314,159 per Pi isn't random, it's inspired by the mathematical constant Pi. GCV isn't an official price, but a community-driven target for internal trades. It's a bottom-up approach. The community agrees on value, not the markets. By trading goods and services at this value, pioneers are building a grassroots economy. While the number is ambitious, GCV is more about confidence and vision than immediate reality. It's a statement: Pi is meant for real-world use, not just speculation. Whether or not Pi reaches this value, the GCV movement has already shifted the conversation toward utility and long-term worth. Pi's greatest strength is its massive, engaged community, over 55 million active users. This isn't just a number. It's a living, breathing network of people who log in every day, connect with each other, and share a vision for a new kind of digital economy. These aren't just app downloads, they're people participating daily, securing the network and adding value. Every tap, every conversation, and every transaction helps strengthen the Pi ecosystem, making it more resilient and trustworthy. The community is global and diverse, spanning continents and cultures. From students in bustling cities to families in remote villages, Pi brings together people from all walks of life, united by a shared goal. This worldwide reach means Pi isn't tied to any one country or economy. Its decentralized nature allows it to thrive across borders, adapting to local needs while staying connected to a global vision. Pioneers are building real-world use cases, local meetups, educational content, and barter economies where Pi is exchanged for goods and services. These activities are not just experiments, they're the seeds of a new financial ecosystem. These grassroots efforts are laying the foundation for a vibrant global marketplace. Every new connection, every exchange, and every story shared helps Pi grow stronger and more relevant. The community's belief gives Pi its value. Without them, it's just code. Their trust and enthusiasm are what transform Pi from an idea into a movement with real-world impact. Their collective effort is what makes Pi a social movement, not just a tech project. It's a force for change, powered by people who believe in a fairer, more inclusive future. The people are the network, and their power is undeniable. Together, they're building something that has the potential to reshape how we think about money and community. That's why the world is watching. Because when millions unite with a common purpose, anything is possible. A currency's true value lies in what you can do with it. Pi's strategy has always focused on building real-world utility before hitting the open market. The enclosed mainnet period is about creating a robust ecosystem, apps, marketplaces, and services where Pi is actually used. Developers are building e-commerce platforms, games, and more, all using Pi. Unlike many cryptos driven by speculation, Pi aims for stability and real purchasing power. As more businesses accept Pi, its usefulness, and the community's belief grows. This creates a snowball effect, attracting even more adoption. Pi's success will be measured by real transactions, not just price charts. It's about building a currency people use every day. Why the hype around June 28th? It's Pi 2 Day, a date tied to the mathematical constant and a tradition for big announcements. The community expects something major, perhaps the open mainnet launch, or a new partnership, or a roadmap to the next phase. Any of these would be a huge milestone, signaling Pi's readiness for the open market. Even if it's not the full launch, new features or partnerships could transform the ecosystem. The date itself unites the community, reignites excitement, and draws global attention. It's a marketing masterstroke, intentional or not. For millions, June 28th is a symbol of progress and hope. It's the moment daily effort could finally pay off. Pi empowers its users to be more than just participants. They're pioneers, actively shaping the network's future. Growth comes from inviting new members and building security circles, creating shared ownership. Pioneers drive utility. In Vietnam, you can buy electronics with Pi. In Nigeria, fashion and services. These are grassroots initiatives, not top-down mandates. Hackathons and developer tools have sparked a wave of creativity. Apps, games, and marketplaces are emerging. Developers are building the future Pi economy before the gates open. Success isn't just about the core team, it's millions of individuals contributing daily. Every transaction, app, and new member strengthens the network. Pi's story is one of co-creation on a global scale. Pi's story isn't written in boardrooms. It's written daily by millions across forums, chats, and social media. This global conversation shapes the culture, birthing ideas like GCV and spreading knowledge. The core team listens, often adapting based on community feedback. This two-way communication builds trust and turns users into passionate advocates. For many, especially in developing nations, Pi offers a chance to join the digital economy and improve their lives. Stories of using Pi for education, business, or family needs give the project real meaning. The worldwide conversation gives Pi its unique identity and scale. As June 28th nears, excitement is at a peak. Pi's value is inseparable from the people who believe in it. As we approach a historic moment for Pi, staying informed and engaged is crucial. For pioneers, now's the time to complete your mainnet checklist and KYC to ensure your Pi is usable. Participate in the ecosystem, explore Pi apps, and keep up your daily check-ins. If you're new, download the app, start mining, and join the community. The beauty of Pi is that it's still early. Getting involved takes just seconds a day. The future will be shaped by the collective actions of millions, not just the core team. June 28th isn't the end, it's the start of the next chapter. Stay curious, stay involved, and get ready for what's next. The countdown has begun.